Hello guys, welcome back to Techie Raj YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can find your BNC Financial Service Group INC bank branch SWIFT code or of any other United States bank's SWIFT code. Just recently, I have come up with a dynamic website which help people to find a SWIFT or BIC code of any bank of any branch in the world. So before proceeding further, please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will receive all my latest updates. So let's get started. So guys, I have given a link in the description below. Just click it and then it will direct you to this website. As you can see the website. So after coming to this website, what you have to do is you have to click on this SWIFT code option. Okay, there are so many options: home, IFSC code, SWIFT code, MICR code, BSR code, zip and pin code. So you have to click on this SWIFT code. So after clicking on this SWIFT code, there will be so many options. So what you have to do is you have to select your country here. Okay, first select your this is the Asia. There is a continent wise country selection. So what you have to do is you just select your country. You have to select your country. I'll just select any one of the countries. So I'll select this one, United States. So after selecting your country, what you have to do is it will tell you to select your bank institution name, right? So you have to select your bank name. Okay, click on the bank name, bank institution name. So here you'll get all the list of the bank that available in the country. So what you have to do is search your bank name. So guys, as you can see, I have selected Bank of America. So right after selecting the bank name, the page will reload and then it will provide you an option to select your city name. So I'll select on the city name and then it has given me the 5 options. So what you have to do is you have to select your city. So I'll just select the top one, Boston. So right after selecting the city name, the page will reload again and then it will provide you the SWIFT code. As you can see, just down below, as you can see, this is your SWIFT code. This is your SWIFT code. And this is the branch name and the branch address. So guys, what you have to do is you just select your country and then select your bank name and then select your branch. So this is how you can search very easily your SWIFT and BIC code. I hope you like the video guys. If you do like the videos, please give a thumbs up and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, have a great day.